Niger, cross river is not safe. No part of this country is spared. So this represents the measles that I said earlier. Let me also commend the gallantry of our security forces, some of whom have paid the supreme price fighting that this country shall have peace. It's not easy when we lose our loved ones. My heart bleeds when I read the report about the fatalities about some of our officers, some of whom were the finest that we can have as a country. But I think this incident persuades us to prioritize our security. I've always held the view that security should be everybody's concern and that we must all lead from the front. We must all lead from the front. We cannot leave security only to our security and forces, as it were. We must lead from the front. We must join hands. And that's what I've always said, so that Nigeria must emphasize policy and not politics. The missing link that we have as a country is that we emphasize politics over policy. And consistently I've been very clear that we should place emphasis on policy, not politics. So in respect of insecurity, I think there is a greater challenge for us as a collective to work together. And I wonder, in this age of technology, why are we having these setbacks? In this age of technology, why are we having these setbacks? And that brings me to the issue of arrest and prosecution. As a person, I don't see how death penalty, all these sanctions act as clear deterrence, as it were. A major mileage for us is to intensify the framework of arrest and prosecutions. If the bandits are arrested, if their sponsors are exposed, if they face prosecution and punishment, I believe that we have scored huge successes in this fight. So I want to emphasize the deployment of technology, and we intensify the framework for arrest and prosecution. On behalf of Akwa Ibom South that I represent, we share in the concerns of Nigerians. We salute that our president is leading from the front, but we challenge other Nigerians to join hands and also lead from the front. Let us not play politics with this very serious matter. Let us all join hands, because we have no country if insecurity lingers in this country. This is a proud country. This is a country that is hugely endowed. I thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.